Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So another question, another topics from loss of conservation linear momentum. The topics is prove linear momentum is constant when two bodies collide with each other. When two bodies collide each other, in that case linear momentum is constant. We have to prove this one. Okay. So this one is one body, this one is body B, and this one is before collisions of the system, and this one is during the collision, and this one is after the collision. So after the collision, its velocity is after collision its velocity becomes BA from UA, and its velocity become BB from UB. Okay, so we just consider this one. Let MA equal to mass of body A, AMB equal to mass of body B, then UA equal to initial velocity of body A, UB equal to initial velocity of body B. Fine. Then BA equal to final velocity of body A, and BB equal to final velocity of body B. Okay, and FAB equal to force acting on body A due to B, and FBA equal to force acting on body B due to A. Okay, so I take this one. Now suppose the duration of collision is T is the duration of collision. Okay, fine. Now according to Newton's second law, we get FAB equal to change in momentum, rate of change of momentum of body A. FAB is on FAB applied on body A, so it will become rate of change of momentum of B, and FBA equal to del of PB by T, right? So here del of PA means change in momentum of A, and del of PB means change in momentum of B. Okay, so now come here. So according to Newton's third law, we can say this one is action and this one is reaction. FAB is the action, FBA is the action, and this one will be the reaction, and action is equal to minus reaction. Okay, action is this one, that is FBA by T equal to minus of FAB by T. T will be cancel out. Sorry, del PB. FBA equal to minus of FAB. Now put the value of FAB and FBA here. It will be del PB by T, it will be minus del PA by T. T will be cancel out, so del PB equal to minus of del PA. So del PB is what? Change in momentum of B. So change in momentum of B is what? Final momentum, that is MB minus BB minus MB minus UB equal to minus, here will be MA BA minus MA UA, right? So just simplify this one, MB UB, it will be minus MA BA, it will be plus MA UA, right? So it take this part here, MA BB plus MA BA, here also MA UA plus and MB UB, right? So therefore we can say MA UA plus MB UB equal to MB UB equal to MA BA plus MB BB. Okay, so that is initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Okay, so let me explain again. I just consider all the variables here, MA, MB, UA, UB and BA, BB. This one is UA, BA and BB. Okay, and FAB, FBA is what I consider this one. Now according to Newton's second law, we can say that FAB is change of momentum of A by T, and FBA is change of momentum of B by T. Okay, so according to Newton's third law, we can say action is equal to reaction. Which one is action? This one is action, this one is action, and this will be reaction. Okay, when I applying force, it will be action, and when someone applying force in that direction, it will be reaction. So action equal to reaction, and T2 will be cancelled out, and I just put the value of PV, that is change in momentum of B, that is final momentum minus initial momentum of B. Here also final momentum minus initial momentum of A. So after simply what becomes MA plus UA plus MB UB equal to MA BA plus MB UB. That is initial momentum of the system, that is before collision. Initial momentum of before collision is equal to the final momentum of the after collision of the system. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. So thank you for watching.